Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Twitch quick fix step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to twitch.tv. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email, username, and password. After creating your account, verify your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your Twitch account. To explore channels, use the search bar to find specific streamers or browse categories. Click on a channel to watch live streams or recorded videos. To interact with streamers, use the chat feature on the right side of the screen. If you'd like to follow a channel, click the follow button beneath the stream. For an enhanced viewing experience, consider downloading the Twitch app on your mobile device. If you want to stream, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Creator Dashboard from the drop-down menu. Set up your streaming software, such as OBS or Streamlabs. In your Creator Dashboard, choose Stream to access your stream key. Copy the stream key and paste it into your streaming software settings. Adjust your audio and video settings for optimal quality. When you're ready to start streaming, click the Start Streaming button in your software. Return to Twitch and click Go Live in your Creator Dashboard. Engage with your audience through chat while streaming. To manage your stream, monitor viewer count and chat interactions on the dashboard. After finishing your stream, click End Stream in your streaming software. You can also edit your stream title and description for future viewers. Finally, take a moment to review your stream analytics in the Creator Dashboard for insights. You are now ready to make the most out of your Twitch experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.